Hey there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. It may be raining outside near me today, but don't worry. I've got the perfect video for a drizzly day. Come on, Greenie Beanies.
I love it when it rains, because you know what that means. Puddles!
Oh yeah, puddle time! Look, Gabe, I've been practicing my jump.
Good one. As soon as the rain stops, we're gonna go splashing.
What? What is it?
There's a rainbow over the garden. Rainbows don't last very long. We have to be quick before it disappears.
Okay. It's taking so long to tie my boots. Hurry, go tell the rainbow to wait.
I got you, bro. Let me help. There. You're all set.
Okay, rainbow, rainbow, rainbow time. Where is it? Where's the rainbow?
It was there a second ago. It looks like the rainbow's already gone away. And hey, the rain stopped.
Oh no! I took too long to tie my boots and we missed the rainbow!
But look on the bright side. We still have puddles.
Yeah, that's nice, I guess.
Don't just stand there, jump in a puddle. I said puddle, not a pool. Look, Gunther. Tree shower.
Yeah, that's nice, I guess.
Gunther, mud angels. Mud pie?
Thanks, but I'm not hungry.
Come on, Gunther, you spent all that time practicing your awesome puddle jumps.
But then I thought I was going to see a rainbow today, and I got really excited.
But there's still so many fun things we can do. Like rescue worms? Oh, good. Now you're having fun.
A little fun, but not rainbow fun.
Maybe we don't need a rainbow to have fun. Maybe we just need each other.
Hey, now I'm all muddy.
My bad. I'll grab the hose to rinse off.
Gabe, look! A double rainbow!
Whoa, you're right. It must be our lucky day.
Yay! Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow! One for me and one for you.
Wow, that was fun. Should we watch another video? Hey, Eleanor, you want to watch another video? She says yes. Come on, Greenie Beanies.